Simultaneous equations solve for the given variables, and we can see here immediately that there are some subtraction symbols in there, so this is going to be interesting. With simultaneous equations, the value of the x in both equations and the value of the y in both equations is the same. So this x is the same value as this x, and this y is the same value as this y. Okay, so let's go about solving this problem. Normally when we look at these questions, we look here first to see what we might have to do. If the coefficient is the same for both, that's a good thing because it makes the whole equation a lot simpler to solve. Essentially what we do is we take away, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. We take equation 2 away from number 1. So you can imagine it like this. So if we have minus y and then we minus y, we actually add that y and that cancels out. So I'll just write it here to make that clear. We have minus y, which is this one here, and then we have to subtract, right? So we're going to subtract, and we're going to subtract minus y. And these two together, these two symbols together, these two negatives together really mean add. So this really means minus y plus y. Now that cancels out. So that cancels out. 5x minus 4x leaves us with 1x, so we write that here, and 20 minus 15 equals 5. Now we're there, we already know what x is, so to find out y we just substitute. So I'll use the bottom equation. It says, what is it, 4x minus y equals 15. Now I already know what x is 5, so 4 multiplied by 5 minus y will equal 15. So I'll just tidy that up and simplify. 4 times 5 is 20, minus y equals 15. Let's start solving, so I can subtract the constant from both sides. That cancels out. I'm left with minus y on the left, so that's almost good. I need a positive y. And 15 minus 20 is minus 5. I need to multiply by minus 1 and multiply by minus 1 to both sides, because that will turn minus y into a positive y. So negative times a negative equals a positive, so I get positive y, and on the same, negative times a negative equals positive. So my final answer is x equals 5 and y equals 5 as well.